Hyping Tech, today's topic suggested by good old Ryan Mites. How's it going?
Fine, nothing much.
Okay, so you suggested the topic today that we need to cover the technology for. What's the topic?
Fridge gadgets.
Gadgets. Hey, Luke, here you go.
Goose.
And of course, we have Tonzi
It's
Malonzi.
your boy Tony.
And guess who else? We are privileged today. We've got a full house. We have got,
Daisy Pop.
yeah, Tony's introduced Daisy today.
Hello, guys.
So we're going to basically look at what Ryan suggested. So fridge freezers, there's a lot of technology going on, and household gadgets is where it's at, to be honest. So if you have a fridge, an old school fridge, things run out, you get home from work, you look at it, oh God, I forgot to get eggs. Oh, look, I forgot to get milk. But guess what's going to happen? Tony, guess what's going to happen?
What?
You're going to get home. Before you get home, when you're at work, you'll get a text message saying, wait a minute, mate, your fridge is running low on milk, is running low on eggs.
What the heck?
Yep. So it's basically connected in a way that it can monitor what's in the fridge, and it sends you a message to say you need to get this on the way home.
Wow.
That's good.
Yeah, it's
Cool.
very good. So you can see on this, we did a quick Google search, and there's a few smart refrigerators. So you got smart watches, you got smartphones, you got a smart refrigerator. Soon you're gonna have a smart toilet, mate. That's what it's gonna be.
They are smart toilets.
Whoa! You're blowing my mind there. Okay,
There's one that shoots out water in the middle.
that's a
Up
bidet.
your ass.
That's a bidet.
Yeah.
That's used to wash yourself.
Not that.
Oh, come on, mate. That's
Japanese
like, have
toilet.
you seen Crocodile Dundee?
Yeah, I've seen a bit.
And he goes to the hotel room. He goes, "Why do we have two toilets?"
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw that
Yeah.
part.
And he goes, "Oh, one's a bidet. Oh, one's to watch your jacksie." Okay, so fridges. Basically, I don't want to go and spend $4,000 on a fridge to make it smart. So we're gonna give you gadgets. Gadgets. Hey, look. Luke. Here you go. Daisy, what you saying?
Nothing.
You know what I'm talking about? And I say, "Hey, Luke."
Yes.
Who is it?
Crazy Russian hacker.
Yeah, boy. He does some of these videos,
Luke,
but
Hugo, Goose.
okay, so this fridge is a special one, but what we're going to do is we're going to give you ideas to make your existing non-smart fridge a smart fridge. So we've seen a few articles where it suggests some gadgets, and they look pretty good, to be honest. So Mashable UK has an article where this little gadget here looks like a little bit of like a bottle or something, but it's basically Snapchat for your fridge. It takes a picture of your refrigerator's contents with a sensor and camera every time you open and close the door. So if I open it, take out milk, and don't put it back in, it'll remember, oh, wait a minute, that thing's missing now, so you're short on that item. So next time you have to order it and get it in.
No.
So that's one option, but I like this one. Eggs.
Oh.
It's a bit too intense though.
Too much intense.
So you have to link your phone to this little tray. You put eggs in the tray. Every time you lift the egg out,
Wow.
then if it gets to like 5 or 6, it tells you, oh, you need to get a bag of eggs.
Nah, ain't that good.
Bag of eggs. Have you ever bought a bag of eggs? I've just said, yeah,
No.
bag.
Only bought a box.
Put eggs in there and you take them to school and you start having an egg fight.
Yeah, but in a bag, they're going to break, aren't they? Okay, so egg minder is a good option. So we've got a few other things. Milk maid. But I can't be doing with getting a milk carton, pouring it into this glass jar, and then it's like a bit long, innit?
That's long, man.
Yeah, so it gets to a certain point, a sensor goes off, you need milk, basically.
So basically, every time you get milk,
The best thing to do
Oh.
is just go into your fridge to check if you have milk or not. And go get milk.
It's smart though, hyping tech. Come on, you gotta get on board. We wanna get all futuristic with this shizzle. We want it to be
Yeah.
lit,
True.
fam. Okay, so another one here is Pure. Daisy. Pure rechargeable refrigerator purifier deal. Oh, sometimes when you open the fridge, it has a funky smell.
yes.
So what would you think would be a good idea in the house? We use like spray to make it nicer, but
Basically, spray that's contacted into a box and you put it into the fridge and it just
Yeah.
lets out some air.
or what smells nice? What do you like, Daisy? What would you say is something that
Daisy's-
smells nice?
I would like strawberries.
Strawberries.
Yeah.
Do strawberries smell?
Yes.
When they
It's
go
a
off,
rotten-
do they smell?
When they're off, yeah. A bit, not that much.
Yeah. So maybe we'll get that present for Daisy and she can use that in her fridge for strawberry smelling.
Thank you.
Go green fridge alarm. Oh, it's on Amazon. You know what? I think that's meant to be. We'll have a look at that one. Go green fridge alarm. How many times have you left the refrigerator door ajar? They have magnetic strips in them, so they kind of
Mm.
whack.
They attach.
Yeah, they whack. They whack.
They're like
Yes,
that.
like a whip. Ryan, you made a whip the other day, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we might show that on Hyping Tech. He made a whip out of some gadgets. Fridge a zoo. If you prefer a door alarm that's a bit more cuddly or inexpensive, the fridge line. What is that? So you open the fridge, your alarm goes off. I don't know about that.
That's gonna make a lot of noise.
Yeah, or maybe if you're sneaking, like Ryan sometimes does, goes in the fridge and sneaks a little treat. Alarm goes off. Hey, who's opening the fridge?
Oh yeah.
It's like that fridge advert where it goes. Moo. Isn't that fridge?
Yeah.
Oh, if you saw when someone opens the door, it's like a thing underneath it, and it goes like when someone's coming in,
like a sensor.
like for a dog.
Yes.
If they're trying to come in.
Okay, so that was 7 gadgets to make your existing old fridge into a smart fridge. An intelligent fridge is something that is coming. Once they get a bit cheaper, make sure to get one for yourself. And that was some ideas to keep you going. And I will leave it at that. Make sure to check out a couple of our other videos where we're looking at Amazon gadgets.
It's been your boy Tony.
Boom.
Bye guys. Bye guys.